Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to give a brief review of Swastik Glycerin. So before going to the video, those who have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for more latest and interesting videos. Now coming to the video, Glycerin. Our product name is Glycerin. Glycerin is a great for the skin because it acts as a humectant, which is a substance that allows the skin to retain moisture. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and fresh the skin surface. It's also an emollient, which means it can soften skin. We can get the soft skin also. You can use glycerin as a moisturizer, but keep in mind that using only glycerin on the face might not be a good idea because it is thick. It attracts dust, which may lead to acne and pimples. You should always dilute it. You can dilute it with water or a little bit of rose water before applying it to the face. Now take a bowl and add small quantity of glycerin. Now take some amount of rose water, that is of measurement up to 2 to 3 spoons of rose water to it. Take a spoon and mix it thoroughly. Like this, we can dilute the glycerin. Glycerin is one of the most effective moisturizers as it helps your skin absorb moisture from the air. The clear liquid acts as a good moisturizer to your skin. Apply the liquid to your face daily using your finger or a cotton swab, or apply as a mist for a healthy glow after applying makeup. If you want to apply this glycerin to your face overnight, it is not good for health. So, you just apply it on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and washing it off before going to bed is the best option. Glycerin helps in removing the dark circles under the eyes and makes skin soft and smooth. Hope you all guys enjoy this video. Thank you friends. Take care. Please do like and share our videos.